Pro to Teva. So we are anticipating around $25 to $30 million to come in from this supply to Teva. So clearly on that front it looks good. Apart from that, domestic markets have seen almost 13 to 15% growth, and the international markets are slightly higher. The management has guided for almost 10% growth in FY13. But the other thing is, the buzz on the street is that the profit can come much higher, around 350 to 360 crores. That is why probably the stock is buzzing in trade today.
Darshan, what about JP Associates? What's the expectation there?
See, JP Associates, it will be a muted quarter. First of all, on the revenue front, a 7% growth on their revenue front. Profits are expected to be pretty much at the same level, 108 crores, and margin pretty much at the same level, almost 24% margin. First of all, on the revenue front, they have actually gone ahead and divested two of their cement divisions. That's the JP Cement Corp, which is their plants in Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat. So those revenues won't be counted. That is why revenue will take a hit. Apart from that, mild recovery might be seen as far as the EPC and real estate business is concerned. But margins of cement as well as real estate are expected to be under pressure. Nothing great expected from the EPC division of the company. But the biggest problem for JP Associates is the interest cost. Even though they deliver on the top line, the bottom line always suffers because of high interest costs that they have to pay. So management commentary is clarity on the debt reduction plans which they have been saying they will do. That is something that is of utmost importance, and stake sale or sell off of their Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh plants is something that the management will be watching out for. But in both cases, both these numbers in most likely will come out after market hours.
Alright, Darshan, thanks for that. So from previews to review, Atul Nisar, chairman of Hexaware Technologies, is confident that for FY13 the company will continue to grow, and he's confident of maintaining a 20% dollar growth for the current fiscal.
We have won a very large deal of $100 million of setting up of an ERP center and $100 million estimated over a period of next 4 years on a cumulative basis. It is a BOT arrangement. See, on a whole year basis, we have guided for 20% year-on-year growth. Ours is calendar year. So 2012, we would grow at least 20% over 2011.
Hexaware, meantime, the stock is down by about 2.2%. Focus Sugar then, and here's a word coming in from Narendra Murkumbi of Sri Renuka Sugars, who expects some reforms after the submission of the Rangarajan Committee report on sugar sector decontrol to the Prime Minister.
But I believe that there is still a lot of excess levy sugar with the government which needs to be released in the festival season. That's September, October and November, when sugar demand is at a seasonal high. And we should see further additional releases in those months to keep prices in the current range. Well, a high-powered committee under Dr. C. Rangarajan is supposed to submit its report on the sugar sector decontrol to the Prime Minister any day now. I believe it's going to be in the next few weeks, and we do expect some comprehensive reforms to kick off after that report is submitted.
Meanwhile, Vivek Sorogi, Managing Director of Balrampur Chini, expects that global sugar prices now will stabilize soon.
The cost of production of UP is almost near to the market price today. So A, the price is not leading to some kind of an great, what should I say, windfall. Secondly, one does expect that these prices, very difficult to say whether the strength would continue or this, but I think this current prices are fully priced. The level globally of 22.5 cents, I think, is a stable price. Plus minus can go down 0.5%, 1 cent, go up. But I think this is the benchmark price I would be looking at. And the domestic price also here, from here on, I don't think the price is looking to go up.
And time for a Niti Now exclusive. After taking over a company in eastern India, Diamond Power is on the prowl again. This time the target is in deep south, and Avan is here with all the details on that. Avan.
Well, Aisha, from what we understand is that post that acquisition of Mactel, the company is looking to acquire a company which is a Chennai-based company that is engaged in transmission control equipment. Sources indicate that they are likely to pick up a 50% stake in this, and that announcement is likely to happen very soon, in fact over the next couple of days or so. The target firm's FY13 revenue growth is seen at close to 122 crore rupees, and they have an order book of close to 80 crores. For Diamond Power Infra, though, they are sitting on cash on their books of close to 100 crore rupees, and they are likely to fund this acquisition via their internal accruals. The current order book stands at 1,560 crore rupees, and we did speak to the management who confirmed this news, but they don't want, who has confirmed the development, but does not wish to comment on the same. This will certainly be a strong boost to the company and will augur well in terms of their margins as well as the overall order book.
Aman, thanks for that exclusive story. Let's take a break.